Hururu egenderire kurinda eby'obuhangwa hamwe n'okukuuma embeera y'ensi eizire nehinduka omu ihanga. Emiti erikuhika miliyoni 6 niyo erabyarwa omu district zitari zimwe na zimwe okwetooroora Burengyerwa-izooba.
Is that as we call upon government to support the majority, we are also saying let's start with what we have, the little that is there with us, and that's the natural resource called land. We have the land, and we're not going to wait for funds. We're going to start by growing every single jackfruit, guava, orange, mango, name it. We'll get it, dry it, transplant it, as we wait for government to dedicate funds.
Is to ensure that we conserve the environment, especially where we are experiencing a lot of global change, and people need oxygen, people need good weather in order to live.
Barukuhe cyo kureberaho cyemyeje muri izire netera emyanya itari yemwe nemwe. Abeebembezi nibagira ngo akantu ko kire kukugira icyo bakora kurwanisa embereji.
Cyo kubanza ntukira kuterwa imiyaga munonga, umuyaga gucija gutera hansi ebihingwa by'abantu. Twashanga ntushabo biyambe mu office of prime minister. Konke izoberi twagira group ya kitongore kija kutweraho umoja trust conservation of environment baza kutwasa kongera kubyara emiti mingi.
Abantu bashabe ibindi bitongore kushagike hururu hamwe no kwegesa abantu kurinda eby'obuhangwa.
That's why I asked you, the Minister of Environment, Philippine. She needs to wake up.
Gasha kwa na Good Fatima.